Alright guys, the key is stretching, okay? That is all you need.
Okay.
Y'all ready to go?
But first, you have to stretch your mind. So, show us how you stretch your mind.
Ooh, right there.
Oh, let me turn this.
Oh.
I don't think I shaved my armpits. Okay, but you gotta share the mat with your partner.
I like to be center.
Okay, so let me show you the first move we're gonna do. Let's try this.
Oh, that
first.
one's easy. Yeah.
Okay.
This is called the box.
Okay. Are you ready?
Okay. You got the box. You gotta be facing the other way, on, girl.
Oh.
Near
Yeah.
you.
Oh yeah, I know this.
This is the box.
Alright, so
It's really early in the morning right now.
Kyle, are you calling me fat?
Ready, one.
Okay, let's go.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
The box.
The box.
You gotta really hold your core in for this one. And point your toes. Okay. If our neighbors could see us right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's the box. Now
we have all our doors and windows open so that you guys have great lighting, yet all our neighbors have a great view. So
yeah, and we're like really close to our neighbors too.
yeah, we have.
Okay, so I think we nailed that one, don't you think?
I think that was perfection.
Me too. So that's our next one.
What the heck is this?
Am I standing on your foot? Okay. So you really got to hold me. Yeah.
So no, you gotta go. Like you gotta be leaning. Come on.
Okay.
You don't. I don't think you have to stand on my foot.
And
She's doing it, but that's a thing to help him. I don't need help.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, wait. Can we talk about this for a second? This foot, right?
Oh, you're too close to me.
Oh, but she's like stuck
Okay,
on
hold
it.
on. Well, you know, she might be a little shorter too.
I'm so long.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Go. No, you gotta lean. Come on, use your core.
I don't have a cord.
Lean. Keep going.
Okay. Oh, this is easy.
Now keep going forward. Keep going forward.
I'm farther than she is.
No, you gotta go like in. Like that. No, that's how she had it. Right?
So how does this
Alright,
work?
the chair pose.
Oh, they do look perfect. So
They
your
do.
feet have to be straight up.
Oh yeah. You can be touching the
He's laughing because how tall I am.
You gotta sit.
And I sit on here. Okay. But you gotta put your legs straight. That's really good though. Don't crap your pants. What is this called? Sitting duck.
Okay.
Put your feet straight up.
Wow. Here.
I'm all the way up here, guys, but I think we got it. Good job. So now what? So don't
Oh gosh.
I trust you a lot, I think. But you gotta be lifting your chest a little.
Okay. Is that it?
Yeah.
No, I'm not supposed to be holding you like this though. I'm actually supposed to have my hands off of you, so you're supposed to be using your body, right? Like that.
Okay, okay.
Oh, you gotta get your body more balanced.
Then you put your arms up. Don't drop me, okay? How do you kiss? You gotta lift your chest up. He thought this one was gonna be easy. We're in the Olympics.
Like very relaxing kiss. Stop laughing! Stop!
What are you doing? because we already had some practice, but it wasn't filming. So, you are in a wide V. Then I get in another wide V. You're holding my shoulders and my feet up. Got this?
Alright, hold on. I'm there.
Is that heavy?
I feel like I'm about to give birth.
Okay. Your face kind of looked like. Okay, so hold my shoulders first.
Okay.
It is straight. Really wide. You're not even holding me yet. You're not even holding me up yet.
Run out of strength.
Okay. Whew. This is hard.
This is hard. I don't know. Like almost like doing a headstand, a handstand. Okay. Hold up. Now put your feet on the other side of my feet. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
There's,
we almost got
like
it.
Works muscles that you don't have. Anyways, that is what perfection looks like.
Thanks so much for watching.
Anything less, just check out any other channels and
Alright guys, so thanks so much for watching our couples yoga challenge. Where are you going? We gotta say bye.
I'm gonna say bye.
We're not done yet. So thanks so much for watching our couples yoga challenge. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. And you'll be seeing more videos from us. And from me. Mostly me. Sometimes him.
Just give the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Say it like I see everyone on YouTube do that. So it feels kind of cool.
Right down
There'll be
below.
a link down below.
Yep.
Over here somewhere.
Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully we'll be better next time. We're going to be rocking these poses on the beach this summer. So thanks so much. Bye-bye. Okay, wait. We got to do a thumbnail. So you're turned around. You're holding my ankles.
Oh man. All our neighbors are going to work right now.
Okay.
Alright, ready?
Wait, I can't hold your legs straight up. Let me try. Put your legs on my shoulders
Yeah, that's,
first.
yep. Yeah!
This is not a box! Okay.
I go to work and feel like I did a workout and didn't even do anything. What'd you do? Oh, I just did yoga poses with my wife.
Okay.
Dude!
That one's really hard.
Oh.
So we'll just pull a clip for the thumbnail.